Hi guys, and welcome back to Retro Foods. Today we are traveling back in time to the Depression era to make corn pudding. And by the way guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do that. That would really help us out. And throw us up a little comment or a heart in the comment section. Let us know if you are enjoying these kind of videos because we would love to make more for you. Okay, so I've got to tell you very quickly about this really cool cookbook. Now, in the Depression era, many things were hard to come by. People were waiting in lines for sacks of flour, sugar, salt, things like that. Okay, also, if anybody had a recipe book in their kitchen, it was probably this one, the Fanny Farmer cookbook. Fanny Farmer was an actual person who lived, wrote this cookbook through much effort and a lot of skill. And she first copywrote the book in 1896. I happen to have was given to me the 11th edition in 1946, and so we're taking this recipe straight from the Fanny Farmer cookbook. Now, as many recipes did in those days, they had 3, maybe 4 ingredients, and that completed the entire recipe. Now, this, to make corn pudding, they would have used either a canned corn that they had canned from their garden, or they would have taken corn fresh from the garden on the ear, cut it off, and then scraped the cob. Okay, so the recipe actually says that you can use the scraped corn. All right, we are going to use canned corn that has been canned, and we're just going to chop it up a little bit, okay? Chopped corn in our bowl. Now goes in our other ingredients. Very simple. 1 cup of heavy cream, which most people would have had some kind of a milking cow or goat, so they would have had that heavy milk or that heavy cream that would have come off of the top of that milk. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we are going to add something that would have been, you know, a real treat in that time. We're going to add our little bit of dark sugar. And then we're going to beat this. And the recipe says to beat it for 3 minutes. By the way, do y'all like my hat? Well, this is thickening up nicely. Our retro corn pudding is out of the oven, and it's time to give it a taste. And guys, don't forget, this is the kickoff for our 2 weeks of celebrating the amazing ingredient, corn. Okay? Very excited to try this. And don't forget, guys, to check out how we take this into the 21st century with our smoky chili corn pudding. Check out that video. Oh, that is so good. It's creamy, just the slightest bit sweet, and it's still got that little bit of tang from the corn. Oh my goodness sakes. I bet this was really a treat in the Depression era in the good old US of A. Oh, this is really good, you guys. I really want you to try this out, and if you do, leave me a comment, okay? Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, do that for us, will you? So you can see all of the amazing content we're putting up for you each and every week. And we'll see you next time on Things to Noodles.